actually the ambulance is under D-Link CSR contribution. So we think that Vasco people will get benefited so to the general public. So we wish that more and more people will get benefited and more such kind of things to happen in the future.
Lions Club of Dabolim is handing over an ambulance which is partly financed by D-Link India Private Limited, Verna, for the benefit of the people of Vasco. Although the ambulance is not fully fitted with all the equipment, the balance equipments are going to be provided by Daffodils multi-speciality hospital. The ambulance will be maintained and will be made available to the public. It will be at the hospital. The price what public, including the members of the Lions Club and their families, will have to pay a nominal rate based on the distance covered. This ambulance is going to help the needy in Vasco, as we don't have an ambulance which is available to the general public at large. Thank you.
And staff of Dabolim hospitals are very much thankful to Lions Club of Dabolim for donating this much needed ambulance. So we initiated this project of hospital in Vasco to make available facilities. वास्कोकारा खातीर खूपच गरजेची असते. कोविड टायमार सुद्धा we have seen people suffering so much and then we had to rush them to GMC सगळे आणि काय facility available नासली एक hospital and we have lost very close friends of ours, relative also under this. So that is the time me and Dr. Dubashi and my brother decided to start this venture to facilitate best of medical services in Vasco. Yeah, so that people of Vasco don't suffer. त्याच्या खातीर आम्ही आता 1.5 वर्ष झालं आम्ही हॉस्पिटल सुरू केला आणि we are adding one more nursing facility also.